Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA G3410 or G3010 series. What I want to do is to show you how to align PrintHead from computer. What you need to do is you need to make sure the printer and your laptop are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct or with a USB cable. In this case, we connected both via wireless network. To align PrintHead, you need to go to Laptop Start, go to the Settings, select Printers and Scanners. Then you need to look for the printer. You need to look for Canon G3010 series. Select on it. It will show you Printer Start to Idle. Then select Printing Preferences. Select on it. It will show you Quick Setup, Main, Page Setup, Maintenance. Then select Maintenance. Select on it. It will bring out and show you dialog of maintenance features of the printer. Then look from the list and select PrintHead alignment. Select on it. It will show you Start or Print Alignment Valve. Then select Start. PrintHead alignment is printing, so it's going to print from the printer to PrintHead alignment. Then you take the paper printed out, put it on the glass scanner, face down, close the cover, then select copy black or copy color. It will scan the alignment page. This light will flash in. Once it's completed, the light will be steady. The job is done. Then the light is steady. Discard this paper. So this is how to align PrintHead from the computer via maintenance and printer preferences. Thank you very much indeed. Please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.